Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken quarters in this big, easy, oilless turkey fryer. And you don't need anything special for this recipe. You're going to have all this stuff in your cupboard. We're going to make paprika and garlic chicken quarters. Now for one of these quarters, it's totally optional for you. I'm going to finish it in some barbecue sauce. I've got this Wells rib and chicken barbecue sauce I've been wanting to try for a long time. These guys are out, I think it's pronounced Burgall, North Carolina. For this seasoning mix, I've got 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. We got a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Over here we got a teaspoon of garlic. We got a half a teaspoon of lime. And then, I can't remember if I mentioned, we also have a little cracked black pepper, a half a teaspoon. And then over here we got a half a teaspoon of oregano, all right? Now, we're just going to mix this all in together. Once I get this all blended in, this is how we're going to season those chicken quarters. Now, I've rinsed this chicken off and patted it dry. Just use a little olive oil for a binder for that paprika and garlic seasoning we made. Now, when I do chicken quarters, you know there's a bone down here. I don't worry too much. I mean, I'll put a little seasoning on here if we have some extra, but I don't worry about this backside too much. Okay, in fact, I'm sure we'll have some extra. Okay, so we're just going to sprinkle, like I said, I don't worry too much about this backside. A little bit on here. And when I get these guys all seasoned up, of course we're going to get them moved over to this big, easy, oilless fryer. I'm just going to put one of these guys on this side, one of these guys on this side. Right? Then I'm going to put this guy in here like so, with this extra rack, and we're going to lay this guy here. All right. Okay, now I've got this big easy turned all the way up. People always ask what temperature. Got it turned all the way up, and I definitely am not going to use the top, because I'm expecting this cook to go 45 minutes to an hour anyway, is my guess. We're just shy of 1 hour. What I'm going to do is, this chicken is 158 degrees. I'm going to do this top piece in a little of this Wells barbecue sauce that we talked about. Okay. And I'm just going to let the 2 go on the bottom, the paprika. You know, here we'll have the little paprika and the Wells. Let this caramelize up a little bit. We're going to take this on up to 165, 170, right? This is a quarter. So unlike a breast, we can take the temperature up just a little bit more. Now the other thing I'm going to do here is, just to get it to crisp up a little bit, is I am going to put the lid on for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We'll check on it then. All right, we're about, roughly hour and 5, hour and 10 minutes. I just checked this chicken about 15 minutes ago. It was pretty dang close. It is 162, 163, 164, 165. We're going to get it out. Look at the color on it. The color's pretty dang awesome. I'm going to let it cool down so I don't burn myself, about 10 minutes. Then we're going to give it a try. All right, our chicken's rested here for about 10 minutes. We're going to give it a try. What I'm going to do first is we're going to try this that we put the barbecue sauce on. Okay, you can see the skin coming off. Okay. Let me just get a piece of the skin. Well, maybe I'm going to get a piece of the skin, right? That's that Wells barbecue sauce we're going to try. Oh, wow. I can see why this barbecue sauce is so popular. So first of all, you get the underlying paprika and garlic right away. I mean, like I said, this recipe is paprika and garlic chicken. But then that barbecue sauce, just a nice kick there towards the end. It's really mild. It's just got a mixture of flavors. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to cut off a piece with no barbecue sauce at all. And I will tell you that this is a bit crispier than the other. Looks like I'm cutting right into the bone there. Okay. I don't know if you can see that in the picture and the video, but it is just full of moisture. We didn't brine it. Of course, these are chicken quarters, right? And look at this skin. The skin is just cooked. Awesome. Okay? Let's give this a try. Okay. That paprika garlic chicken without the sauce, the skin is crispier. And I guess you might expect that, right? You put sauce on, you're not going to get as crispy. It's absolutely fantastic. I mean, this is the kind of chicken kids will eat, you know, your neighbors will eat. You don't have to worry about it being too spicy. Is it the right kind of sauce? And just look at the, I hope you can see that. I mean, it is just so moist. Let me get another piece of that skin because I can't describe how this tastes without having a second bite. Oh, wow. I gotta tell you, this Big Easy Oilless fryer, or Big Easy Oilless turkey fryer, it just does an awesome job on turkey, on chicken, on wings, on prime rib. We even made some baby back ribs in this guy, and they turned out great. It's a great cooker, and by the way, they don't sponsor me, they don't pay me. I just like the cooker. Hey, thanks so much for watching another one of our videos. If you have any questions or comments about this video, just leave them below. And if you're not a subscriber already, please hit that armadillo pepper icon.